In this video, we will see what we can do in order to be eligible for the Metamask airdrop. This is George from Crypto Elite, and on this channel I focus on teaching people about crypto related stuff without the nonsense. What do we have here? This is Coinbase wallet. Does that have to do anything with Metamask? Do you see? They just released a Chrome extension wallet, which automatically this means a competition to this wallet here. If you don't know by now, Metamask wallet has been around for what, like 6 years or maybe more, who knows. So when you are the biggest dog in the room and you lead the way, you will never let your competitors take you down, right? And I am talking from the perspective of business pattern reactions. So what they can do or what they will possibly do, and of course what I'm saying here is only speculative and only opinions. This is not any secured way that they will do an airdrop, although those hints are very strong. No one can guarantee that. And also, if you want to see some information on the background, here you can find it. So when Musk, stay tuned, I don't know, look it up on yourself. And so whatever I say here is only my personal opinion, and you should never take this as a financial advice. So let's get to the possible steps. The possible steps are, of course, to use this built-in swap function that is inside the Metamask wallet here. And you can, of course, choose ETH to whatever other token you like to use. But here's the thing. For those people that they cannot afford the, $100, $200 for one transaction, and because if you add them up plus the amount of funds that you will use to transact, it would be like $300. So not all people have that kind of money. So if you cannot exchange ETH, please use other networks here. Matic, for example, you can swap here from Matic to whatever you want to swap, and then review swap, blah blah blah. Do some transactions on those networks, because you never know, sometimes they might say that the terms will be if you have already done some transactions in the past in other networks except Ethereum. So they might ask for Binance Smart Chain or Matic or whatever. So we never know. So in order to be more safe for those with larger portion of money, they can use both Ethereum network and other networks like Matic, etc. So that's what I wanted to say for today's video. Oh, and one last thing before we close. I have found a way, and I really want to tell me if you want to see this on a next video or something. And I really want to see if you want me to do that kind of video. I have found a way where you can transfer funds from exchange to exchange without having fees. Actually, it's almost not even $2. Do you want me to create such a video with that kind of information? If yes, you can pump up 100 likes on this video, and whenever we reach 100 likes, I will create that video. And I am saying this because when you want to send some funds from your favorite exchange, for example, to some other exchange, when you are in ETH, you have to spend like this kind of money, $51, in order to do a single transaction. So I found a way where you can spend only $2 to transaction fees. Forget once and for all those kind of fees here. If you want me to do that kind of video, let me know. Whenever we hit 100 likes, I will create that kind of video. And also, another problem here is this. It says minimum 0.11 ETH. If you have $100, let's say, okay, they require you to have at minimum $500. If you only have 100, how you are supposed to transfer those in another exchange and pay 50 for fees? So it's really crazy. So I'm signing off. That's it for today. Share it with your friend, because sharing is caring, and get ready for the airdrop mania that we are getting through. And I predict, actually, I see a lot of big projects doing airdrops, and I'm not surprised if we see crypto airdrop millionaires, just from the airdrops. If you consider that Didex in some cases did almost 30k in some wallets. So this is really a big deal. So that's it for today. Share it with your friend, subscribe, do whatever you like, and see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.